Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning mortgage broker layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the mortgage broker layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It has a ton of illustrations included, which really help elevate the overall design style of the layout pack. And it's just a really nice combination of Divi's built-in options, and you get a ton of layouts. So if you want to lay your hands on it, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the mortgage broker layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are available. So you can join to download or click on the blue button which says View Live Demo. And this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. And say, for instance, you want to use the landing page on your website. You can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. So we have three options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And of course, we're going to browse through our layouts and pick one of the layouts of the mortgage broker layout pack by clicking on the purple button. And over here, we have all of the different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the mortgage broker layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with it. And you can click on the green button which says use this layout for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to be uploaded to your page, and from that point on you can start modifying everything. Of course, you can modify all of the written content that comes with this layout and the layout pack in general, and just modify it to make it ready to go live. But you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and the efficiency features to make a lot of changes throughout the entire layout pack in just a few clicks. So say for instance you want to change the font that is being used, you can do that really quick and make it happen throughout the entire layout by opening the settings and then going to the design tab, going to the heading text settings, and over here you have the font that's being used. You can right click and click on find and replace, and you can replace this font within this page with another font of your choice. And then also make sure that you tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font, and this will make sure that all of the fonts are being covered. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout the entire layout, and you can basically do that for any kind of design option that you have within the Divi Builder and make a lot of changes in just a few clicks throughout the entire layout and create stunning web design using Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.